Hello guys! In this video I'm going to show you where to find the help section on the Sketches application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the 3 point on the upper left corner of the screen and go to the settings section, and here you can find the online help option and step on it, and here you can find the tutorials, tips, and more information about the Sketches application. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.